I would like to speak about healthcare in high definition, and what we understand under healthcare in high definition. This is healthcare which is happening in real time. So this is not post factum. This is a real-time healthcare. And also we are going to see a working industrial example of a diagnostic technology, which is with a medical grade in class 2A as a wearable diagnostic device, and also 2B as a hospital device. We started this project several years ago, and this project in the beginning was purely cardiovascular project. And the main motivation of Checkpoint Cardio was that 17 million people still continue dying every year prematurely from cardiovascular diseases, and all of these deaths are predictable and preventable if there is a technology for real-time monitoring with a medical grade of those patients and creating prediction model for their deterioration. So in this way, today we can present to you this device, most probably the first in the world Icu Personal Monitor, wearable one, with which you can monitor, we can monitor from our medical centers in real time patients like they are in ICU department. And this online device, which you will see very shortly, is costing about 2,500 euro and is replacing which are installed today in a hospital, which are costing at least 35,000 euro. But I prefer to show you how it works. Just let me switch to the other screen because it's a technology which I don't know too much. Do you see my screen now? Hello?
No.
I'm sorry. Still, I didn't get this menu in English, so I cannot say how it works. How can I actually now switch to full screen? Sorry for. Okay. Yeah, I saw it again. So do you see now the screen with the running patients in real time?
Yes, now it's working.
Yeah, okay. So what you see now, guys, is the real patients in real time. Some of those patients are hospital patients, some of them are at home, and they are monitored with the symptoms of coronavirus. What you see actually are wearable monitoring technology, which is giving us opportunity to monitor the main physiological data of the patients, meaning 9 to 12 channel ECG, PPG wave, the heart rate, the non-invasive blood pressure, oxygen saturation, the respiration, and the body temperature with the classical method under the arm. But unfortunately, this patient, which I open by chance, has not turned on the device, the sensor. So here, right away, we have a tool which is giving us opportunity to see in a monitoring mode the patients like they are in a hospital, but they are at home. And also we have another tool which is created for a big Horizon 2020 project called Nightingale, which actually we won recently, which is giving opportunity to monitor the same patients, but only as a numbers, so to see the dynamics of the main physiological parameters in real time, together with the body activity and body position, as you can see in real time. And also here we can receive from the system, because of our artificial intelligence, all the reports, automatical reports. So by moving the mouse, you can see all the dynamics of all the biometrics of the patients. You can generate manually your alerts, or you see the alerts which are coming from the system. Here you can, from the system, you can call to 1112 and send the GPS coordinates of the patients, and together with the diagnosis, or you can connect with the doctor, the monitoring doctor, or with the patient through the system. So as I already showed you, the device is small, wearable. Do you see now the PowerPoint? I don't read any Spanish, so I don't know what I'm doing actually. Hello?
Not yet.
No, everything is in Spanish. I need to learn this language, obviously. So is it okay now?
Yes, that is fine.
Yeah. And at this real moment, all this data in real time have been monitored in the chain of telemonitoring centers, several in Bulgaria, and now we have opened recently one big telemonitoring center in Romania. So all these data have been monitored by live nurses and live doctors, and this is part of our system, except manufacturing all these devices, writing the software, and artificial intelligence. We have created a chain of telemedical centers which are providing live monitoring in real time of all this data. And again, I will try to share with you a short video we just received from Romania. So here on the video, I'm sorry, it will be, maybe there will be voice in Romanian. There is no subtitles because we just recently received this video. It's showing live patients monitored through our Romanian telemedical center, patients with coronavirus, just to illustrate how it works. So this is the device. This is actually one of the doctors which are on duty. This is the device with the thermometer and with the pulse oximeter. This is the screens. And this is one patient which has been monitored during the quarantine with the symptoms of coronavirus. So as you can see, the patient is at home. He's using this application, which we are, the medical application. The device is on his body. So they can speak to the patient by video and discuss with the patient if the patient has some complaints. And on the other hand, they are monitoring real time all the vital signs. So we have opportunity with this system to monitor all the deteriorations coming from the coronavirus, because we have the respiration rate, we have the oxygen saturation, we have the temperature, we have the cardiovascular symptoms, we have the body position and body activity, which is giving us the opportunity to see under which conditions all these biometrics have been produced.
One minute. Ivaylo?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay. So you finished, I suppose?
No. I didn't, because actually I have, am I again to PowerPoint?
It's changing, and you have one more minute left.
Yes.
So keep okay.
Okay. So just several questions. I have technical issues with changing the screens because everything is Spanish. I apologize again. So once again, this device is an industrial device, so we are not at the startup phase. We are already integrating this device in key hospitals in Europe and also in Middle East. And this is a certificated diagnostic system, certificated in class 2A and 2B. And we have very, very interesting statistics. 36,000 patients, and we have discovered that during the observation of these patients, if they are observed, we are discovering a lot of new conditions. In 76% of the cases, we have discovered new conditions, and in 84% of the cases, we have changed the patient's therapy, and we have helped from distance to these patients with our technology. And our main objective is to show this technology to, big scale, to many potential partners and clients. And we are very, very interested to find our business partners in the region of Spain, Portugal, because until now we have partners in many other European countries like Netherlands, Belgium, UK, France. But this region, especially in Spain, is an empty spot on our map. So I would be glad on this, with these coordinates, to respond to any questions and to get in touch with all the interested to integrate this system in the healthcare. Thank you very much.